Yeah, right now I'm taking out these pumpkin cuba, cu, cuca, cucurbita from Belarus. Uh, I got 2 pumpkins off of those, and but they were that's one of them right there. But they were very susceptible to squash borers. You can see here. Squash borer right there. Another one right there. So I was going to save seeds for these, but I may save some seeds and try it next year and try something a little different. One thing I'm thinking about doing is getting some paint that they use, for instance, like on fruit trees and stuff. They paint the trees to keep the insects away. Something I'm going to try next year is like right here. As the plant's growing, I'm going to paint those with a acrylic paint or barn. I have a barn and fence paint, and a non-toxic, and see how that works. But this plant certainly didn't do well, whereas the other plants of different kinds of squash that I have here, they're all doing very fine. So another experiment for next year. Okay, we're on our walk here. And this is a trail. And we walked this yesterday, and Susan spotted this mushroom back there. That's a cauliflower mushroom.
Mushrooms at all?
What? That's all right.
Are you into mushrooms?
I like to look at them. So what I'm going to do is
That's a cauliflower mushroom.
I'm going to harvest this.
You're going to take it home and cook it.
Yeah.
Because it's edible and it's supposed to taste good.
Yeah. Okay. You're gonna film it.
Yeah, this thing.
You gotta come closer. Hi guys. I'm gonna eat good tonight.
No. I thought you were talking about your knife.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a
We'll go closer.
cauliflower mushroom, and it's in perfect shape. It is still nice and moist. It's not overdone. So I'm going to harvest this thing, and that is a meal for a king.
Dwayne has got his knife out and he's cutting this so we can take it home and cook it. Wow. Wow, that took no time. Let's see the bottom, please. Wow.
Yeah, that's going to be.
And this is where it was in here. You can see it. This is where it was cut from. You see these pieces?
I'm gonna put this in a bag and then
Yeah, wow.
take it home and butcher it in the house.
That is amazing, folks.
Isn't that a big baby?
Wait, whoa, baby,
You gotta
that
back up
is
to get it.
huge. I'm trying to get the big picture of it close. Okay, as we zoom out, oh,
That's a
oh, baby.
lot of good eating.
Yeah, and here's the end result of the monster that we just cut out.
Yeah, there's a little one,
There's
but
a
I'm
little
gonna
one
leave
right
that
there.
go, and I'm gonna let you don't want to pull them out of the ground. You want to cut them off.
Don't pull them out. You want to keep the
Yeah, they hear me.
roots there.
Keep the roots there, and it'll grow again. All right, hit the red button. Here's what I'm going to have for breakfast. There's a nice piece of the cauliflower mushroom that I harvested yesterday. I'm going to saute that with some garlic, peppers, tomatoes, and a little butter and olive oil. And then I'm going to have a couple eggs on the side. So this is harvested yesterday, out in the wild, free food. That's very good for you.